Plated Traditions channel. Welcome to the Plated Traditions channel with your host Kendra Moses. This is the Plated Traditions.
Hello and welcome to the Plated Traditions channel. My name is Kendra Moses, and as always we have our resident chef Kai off camera. Take nothing for granted. Be free.
Yeah, that's all fine and dandy, but I'll tell y'all right now, freedom ain't all what you think it is. For example, you go in somebody else's kitchen. Everything in their kitchen ain't free. I don't care if they even let you in the door.
Kai, I'm not really sure. I didn't even schedule you or Mabel to do a debate today because you kind of cheated on the last one by a couple of sentences, both of you, and so I didn't even schedule her today.
Ain't got no beef with Mabel today. There's a public service announcement.
Well, your beef isn't really supposed to be with anyone. It's more of a friendly...
Have I ever interrupted you before?
Wait, you're kind of doing it now.
So back to what I was saying.
Okay. Okay. So I guess I will be sending you over to Kai now. I guess to keep it kind of structured, even though Mabel isn't here. Here is the music that you will be hearing from just before we do our debates with Kai and Mabel. Well, at least this week it sounds like you will be actually getting a longer discussion from our resident chef Kai this time.
In the kitchen where we gather, stories intertwine. Old recipes from ages past, preserved like vintage wine. Mabel swears by her grandma's stew, rich and divine, while Kai believes in modern flair, pushing the design. What's the heart of the plate, tradition or the twist? Plated traditions, let the debate ignite. Chef's tales and home-cooked dreams both taking flight.
When you enter somebody else's house and you have a little look around, especially in their kitchen, you open that refrigerator, those drawers, that pantry. Don't assume you're free to take anything you want out of there. I just had some critter in my home, in my kitchen. I even let the damn critter in. And no, I'm not talking about an actual house pet. A full-grown one of us. You know what he did? He got into my refrigerator, my pantry, my kitchen, calling himself a culinary squatter. Don't tell me you wrote a song on it. Well, I'll tell you what I'll do. I'll play the song for you. And notice some of the key lyrics he has in that song. It'll let you know how really free you are to be around someone else's kitchen. And that's today's discussion.
Oh, don't mind me, I'm the refrigerator squatter. I linger around your kitchen even when it's a bother. Taking that inventory, you'd swear I had bought something. Scoping out your food, honestly not even interested in your mood. Actually, I'm a culinary squatter, roaming around your kitchen. I come here so often you thought I had permission. But hey, what the heck, I made this my plated traditions. Your food I gotta gobble up, followed by a drink from your cup. Then I dare to ask what's up. Oh hell, I think I'm out of luck. What you doing with that hockey puck? Okay, 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 it don't have to be this way. I know I've outlived my stay, see I'm walking away, but we both know I'll be back another day. Don't mind me, I'm the refrigerator squatter. I linger around your kitchen even when it's a bother. Taking that inventory, you swear I had bought something. Scoping that inventory, you swear I had bought something. Scoping out your food, honestly not even interested in your mood. Actually, I'm a culinary squatter, roaming around your kitchen. I linger around your kitchen, I linger around your kitchen even when it's a bother. Taking that inventory, you swear I had bought something. Scoping out your food, honestly not even interested in your mood. Actually, I'm a culinary squatter, roaming around your kitchen. I come here so often, you thought I had permission. But hey, what the heck, I made this my plated traditions. Your food I gotta gobble up, followed by a drink from your cup. Then I dare to ask what's up. Oh hell, I think I'm out of luck. What you doing with that hockey puck? Okay, 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 it don't have to be this way. I know I've outlived my stay, see I'm walking away, but we both know I'll be back another day.
Thank you again for joining us for another week.